How to fix Netflix error code NW-1-19. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you the most general troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue on Netflix. So first things first is go into your Google Play Store and then look for the Netflix app like so. And from here, you just need to make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of Netflix application because this could be one possible reason why you're encountering the NW-119 error code. Next is to look for the Netflix application icon and then tap and hold. Choose on the eye so that you'll be redirected into the app info of Netflix. Scroll down here, choose on storage under usage. And then you're gonna have to execute clear data and clear cache, those specific options below. Now, do not need to worry about your account because it will not ruin your account itself. It will just refresh or reset the application only. And I believe that's pretty much it. That's how you fix Netflix error code NW1-19.